Before starting any workout routine, it's important to stretch and warm up. Find something sturdy you can place both hands on and pull away from it and feel your arms and upper body tighten for up to 10 seconds. Then stretch your legs. An easy way to do this is to reach down with your legs stiff and touch your toes with your hands. Touch your toes and hold for up to 10 seconds. Workout fitness plan for the week. Weight training plans. Exercise workout plan. Monday. Chest, biceps. Chest, all exercises 4 sets of 10 reps. Bench press. Cable crossovers. Dips. Push-ups. Biceps, all exercises 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Dumbbell curls. Hammer curls. Preacher curls, dumbbell or barbell. Crunches 100, 1000. Cardio 30 minutes. Wednesday. Back, shoulders. Back, all exercises 4 sets of 10 reps. Seated rows. Lat pull downs. One arm rows. Shoulders, all exercises 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Military press. Upright rows, dumbbells. Front raise. Crunches 100, 1000. Cardio 30 minutes. Friday. Legs, triceps. Legs, all exercises 4 sets of 10 reps. Squats. Lunges. Leg extensions. Leg curls. Triceps, all sets 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Push downs. Close grip barbell bench press. Reverse grip tricep pushdowns. EZ bar skull crushers. Crunches 100, 1000. Cardio 30 minutes. Workout diets that will get results. Never skip breakfast. Eat breakfast every day. It's good to eat throughout the day. Try to never go more than 3 hours till eating your next meal. If you're short on time, a protein shake in the morning and again after your workout is always a quick and easy way to get a meal in. Take in moderate complex carbohydrates for your workouts and low-fat intake. Below are some of the best foods for gym diet. Turkey breast, black beans, eggs, milk, water, beef, yogurt, oatmeal, blueberries, fish, salmon. Sample diet. Meal 1. Protein shake. Water. Meal 2. Turkey breast. Yogurt. Meal 3. Vegetable. Oatmeal. Chicken breast. Meal 4. Snack, almonds, protein bar. Meal 5. Protein shake with scoop of ice cream. Who is this exercise workout plan for? This workout routine is for a beginner starting out in the gym or someone that is looking to get back into shape. It can be good for an intermediate as well. Just add in an extra day and increase the number of sets from 4 to 5 or 6. Usually within 8 to 12 weeks a beginner with being ready to change up this workout routine, but I recommend staying within a certain workout routine for 6 to 12 months. You will notice an increase in muscle endurance and strength. If you made it a full 30 days without giving up or taking a day off, give yourself a pat on the back. You have a lot to be proud of. That's better than most people. Each workout should last 30 to 60 minutes. If it's too challenging to reach 30 minutes, make sure you get in at least 20 minutes and work your way up. Cardio should include walking, running, and biking. Just choose something that you enjoy and can do for at least 15 to 20 minutes. After completing your workout, make sure to stretch again for the next 3 to 5 minutes. You'll feel relaxed and it will help your muscles recover. What should I do on my days off? You might be feeling sore from the day before, but on days off I recommend the following. Stretching 3 to 5 minutes. Walking 15 to 20 minutes. Push-ups or sit-ups. Punching bag workout routine. Don't overdo it and stay away from weights. You need time to recover, but mixing in cardio on off days with some light exercise is never a bad thing. Conclusion: this is an outline of an exercise routine I was given from a personal trainer years ago and it worked very well to quickly get me to the next level. You'll definitely feel stronger, lighter, and happier within 30 days of this plan. If you'd like a more advanced or intermediate workout plan, I can post that next time. Let me know your workout plan and what you found effective. I love learning and hearing what's working for you in the gym and out. Results of any workout depend on determination, discipline, and never ever give up. As long as you don't give up, you can't lose.